Welcome to another episode of the DeRosa Driven YouTube channel. Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick little update on the truck. I'm still waiting on the O2 sensor. It should be here today at some point. I rush shipped it, nothing yet, so we'll see. If I can, I'm going to have this truck out this weekend, but it looks like it might rain Saturday, so if anything, that'll be Sunday. Most importantly, though, what do you guys want to see for this car? Right now, it has a 2004 5.3 in it. Obviously, this isn't anything I'm going to be working on right this second because the truck's the priority, but just so I can be gathering parts in the background and we know what we're going to do with it. I do have this over here in the corner of the shop. It's a 2006 Gen 4 6-liter, 100,000 miles on it. I actually have a Richmond 4-speed for the car. It's a pretty nice aftermarket transmission. You guys want to see a cruiser, just something to drive around, or do you want to see a full-on race car because the car is already stripped down? It has no interior. It's literally 2 seats and a shifter. I really appreciate all you guys watching the videos. It means a ton to me. Let's take it to the next level. I will catch you on the next one.